Merhaba. Today I am going to show you how to make a classic Turkish dishes. Zeytinyağlı, portakallı kereviz. Zeytinyağlı dishes are a very important part of Turkish cuisine. They are cooked with olive oil and usually served cold. Let's get started. Fill a large bowl with cold water, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and stir in 1 tablespoon of flour. This mixture helps keep the celery roots from turning brown. Then, peel, wash and cut the celery roots into cubes. As you cut them, immediately place the pieces into the prepared bowl. Peel, wash and cut the potatoes. Place them in a separate bowl, fill it with cold water to keep them from discoloring. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic and saute until they become soft and fragrance about 3 or 4 minutes. Add the chopped carrots and continue cooking for another 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Squeeze the orange and half a lemon and pour the juice into the pot. Add the salt and black pepper, then stir everything well to combine. Add the celery roots and potato into the pot and stir everything gently to combine. Zeytinyağlı kereviz is ready. Let the dish cool down completely inside the same pot at least 1 hour. Zeytinyağlı dishes are usually served cold or at room temperature. Thank you for your time and see you